My name is Ingrid.
Hello, my name is Arianna. We will present you the president, the secretary and the treasurer of KCC Cooperative.
Hello, I'm Carla and I am the president of the KCC Cooperative.
Hello, I'm Marina and I'm the secretary of the KCC Cooperative.
Hello, I am Paul and I am the treasurer from the KCC Cooperative.
We are very happy to work with you with KCC project.
Very happy to meet you. Hi, I'm Nika and I'm fully Polish. Nice to meet you guys.
Hello, I'm Mia and I'm very happy to be working with you.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mariana, and there are 5 questions about our KCC project and castles. 1. Where we will send the money of KCC Cooperative?
Hello, my name is Naira and the question number 3 is: when was Balsareny Castle built?
14.
Hello, my name is Laura and the question number 4 is: what is the shape of Balsareny Castle?
Which river flows by the castle?
What is a key? Our Christmas tradition. We have an elf, which it's a little toy, and you put it on the shelf. And every morning when we wake up, it has done a naughty thing to the house. Either it has done like something to mess something to the Christmas tree, or mess the flower. Yeah. And then our other Christmas tradition is a stocking. We have a stocking which puts our presents, a little bit of our Christmas presents in. We sometimes have like candy canes and books and torches and stuff inside. But all the big presents are down in the
We wish you a Merry Christmas.